Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a Backdraft Cobra and it's got a little surprise under the hood. It's got a Coyote in it and an 8-stack built by Roush. This thing's making over 500 horsepower. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that blue paint, man. Black stripes accented with the red. I tell you what, we were out driving it earlier. We had a whole crowd of people following us around. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. You want to talk about sexy? This is one sexy beast right here. It's got the 18-inch wheels on it, the true knockoffs, and look at this interior. Red seat belts, those are 4-point racing harnesses. It's even got a red shifter ball there. Man, it is absolutely beautiful. Carbon fiber dash. Love this car. Like I said, just over 300 miles on this beauty. It is the Jack Roush edition. It says it right there, guys. This car is fast as grease lightning. Everything's all blacked out that's normally chrome. Look inside the trunk there, we got a car cover in there. Plenty of room in there to get some lawn chairs in there, maybe a small tent if you want. We've got the gas fill here that Carol Shelby had on all his race cars. Of course, it's got the true knockoffs on it, the 18-inch wheels that have been all blacked out, looking sexy. We got the blacked out side pipes like the race cars. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this little car. We've got several Cobras in stock, so go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. They're coming and going quick, guys. So if you love this one, please call Tom at 248-974-9513. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So give him a call. He'll tell you all about it. Now, the first thing we do when we get them here to the shop is get them up on the lift so we can check them out and Tom can answer all your questions. Now, I've been in the business about 35 years and I'm using that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. It's Backdraft time. Coyote 8-stack. Thank you, Mr. Roush. Listen to this beautiful car. Man, we just had a crowd of people standing around us. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Sounds amazing. Looks amazing. Drives amazing. I mean, it don't get any better than this, guys. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you and just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. And if you need a little help with financing, we got you covered on financing too. We have several different ways to finance it. I think we got about 5 different bankers we're working with now. We can make it really easy. And we are very close to the airport, so if you want to come in and check it out in person, come on in. Now look down here on the dash. All carbon fiber, looking sweet. All the gauges looking sweet. 342 miles. And I tell you what, you guys better hurry up and get on this one, because I might just put some miles on this one myself. You want to talk about fun? I mean, I'm just touching the accelerator. This thing is a blast, man. Now, we are about to do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car up on the lift so you can see just how pretty the bottom side is too. And thanks to Mr. Roush, this Coyote is performing unbelievable. That 8 stack is sounding sweet. Now here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. Stick with us because we're going to get it in the air for you right now. Hold on. All right, we're underneath this backdraft now, and man, it's pretty under here. Look at that aluminum. Look at that TIG weld there, man. Somebody knew what they were doing. That is beautiful. That aluminum, you can tell this car is well kept and brand new. Look at the frame. Look at the paintwork. Look at that rear end housing. Yeah, it's independent rear suspension. And yeah, you guys know these backdrafts are BMW suspension. That's one of the reasons they handle so well. 345 gear, and it is posi, of course. Brand new TKO600 Tremec transmission. Explosion-proof bell housing on the clutch here. It is a hydraulic clutch. Look how clean everything is. I mean, it looks brand new. I mean, if you're taking this car to a car show, you better put some mirrors underneath it because it is pretty under here. Of course, Coyote power, we already talked about that earlier in the video. We'll look at the top side here in a minute. Struts up front, disc brakes up front. Let me take a quick look out back. Yeah, disc brakes out back also. Power, rack and pinion steering, and of course that BMW suspension up front too. Electric fan keeping it cool. Big old sway bar up front here keeping her on the road. Look at them tires. Man, those are beautiful. And real knockoffs, blacked out, and of course Backdraft's proud, man. They put their name right on the wheel. Now on these backdrafts, those wires there, those wires are just kind of to show off. That's what Carroll Shelby put on the real knockoffs. These guys actually have this little nut right here in the center. It actually holds that knockoff on there. That keeps it from spinning off on you, but you don't have to worry about that because these things actually counter rotate, so you don't ever have to worry about those coming loose. And then those pipes are blacked out, and man, do they look good. You can see how clean everything is. And back here is where the horsepower meets the road. So we got a little extra rubber on the ground. 295/46 are 18s back here. And again, same thing back here, locking nut. And then they even put the tie wire on just like Carroll Shelby did back in the year. Look at that, I can't get over. Look at that aluminum. That just tells you this thing is absolutely brand spanking new. Now, I did not tell you the size of the tires up front, so if you want to take a quick ride up front here again, we'll take a real quick look. These are 245/46, 18s up front. I keep wanting to say 16s. Now, let's get under the hood and check out that Coyote. All right, here we go, guys. Coyote power, and Mr. Roush put an 8 stack on it. Isn't that cool? This thing, they tell me, making over 500 horse. Looking sweet in there too, so it is beautiful, guys. I love it. Like I said earlier, we drove it, had a blast. This is one bad machine right here, guys. She's a Cobra. She's got Coyote power. We got power brakes, power steering, power everything, horsepower. Man, Carroll Shelby would be proud of this one, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.